So, like, the last video I made was today's March 3rd. So I don't know how long ago I made the video, but I'm gonna start putting some parts on. I bought this JD Customs bumper quick release kit for the radiator support. I do have the side ones, but now I'm going to do the top one, so then I could just take all the bumper off, the whole bumper off with just a quick release. Yeah, I'll get started on that and show you what to do. My bad, guys, I almost installed the kit without even showing what comes in the box. So here you have the brackets for the quick release. Here are your bolts to replace the old ones, and then the rods for the button, the quick release button, and then all the hardware you need. And here are the quick release buttons. Pretty nice, better than the other ones. I've bought so many of these rods and buttons that have just not worked. Either they don't snap back on or they're too hard to push. But I got some off of Amazon after I bought it from some guy on Facebook that was selling some, and his kit just didn't work, and the ones I bought off Amazon just worked better. Don't mind the tape, the the plastic brackets that hold these broke, and I kind of want to leave these on, so I just tape them back on. But yeah, basically all I bought was the bracket for the side quick releases, and bought the rods and buttons off Amazon, and it works better than what the guy was selling. So yeah, that was a waste of money, because I could have obviously made that bracket myself, but whatever. But yeah, I'll get one side started and show you how it goes. So here's one side. So what I did was remove the 10mm bolt that holds the AC condenser, and then put the replacement bolt, put the bracket, and this is how the rod for the quick release goes. And yeah, just want to do the same thing on the other side. And then once you position this where you want and the height you need, then you will need to drill a hole for the quick release right here and right here. And yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. I don't know what I'm going to do here, because obviously the VIN is right there, so I don't know if I can avoid drilling the VIN, or what to do there, but I'll figure it out and get back to you. Alright, I got both brackets in. Now I just need to drill the top holes. So what I'm doing to drill the top holes, to see where to drill, I just put the bumper on, and now I am just looking from where the rod is to straight up, and yeah, just looking and feeling with my finger where to drill Right here seems like the best spot. This one's a little harder because it's harder to see in here. Alright, I don't know how I did it, but as you can see, that one is perfect. I literally just looked at the rod from down here and then just lined the drill up, and then I just guessed how far away to drill, and yeah, I got it perfect on that side. This side was the first side I did. Went a little too far to the left, and then just moved the drill to the right, and then and I'm going to fix it with just the tree drill bit, make it larger for the button, and yeah, just make it large. Now I just have to make the holes larger for the button, put the button on, and I think after the button's on, I think I had to raise the rods up a little bit so they can go in the button, and then should be done. Actually, if you take out the grill, you have access to adjust the rods to your specific height you need. I just adjusted mine. You just take out the grill. It's 4 10mm bolts, and then 4 Phillips screwdrivers. There's gonna be 2 Phillips right there, 2 on each side, and the 4 10mm bolts. I actually don't remember where those came. Oh, I think they were right here, right here, right here, and right here. Yep. Take those out, take out the grill. Then you can easily adjust the rods, and now it is finally installed. Actually, I haven't even looked at it without the grill. I'm not really a fan of it. I'm gonna put my grill back on, just my preference. What the hell is that? But while the grill is out, I am gonna repaint it. You can see the paint coming off, so I'm gonna repaint it, get it looking fresh, and then I'll put it back on once I paint it.